Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. So as you probably know by now, if you follow my channel, if you subscribe, you know that Cash App has terminated or closed my account. I can't do anything within the app. I can't add money. I can't get the card. I can't send money. I can't do the stocks. I can't do Bitcoin. Basically, once this happens, all you're allowed to do is withdraw your money and then it's over, which is kind of unfortunate and a reason why I can't really recommend using Cash App. Like, I thought this was a good app, but then they deleted my account. They won't tell me why. They won't give me a reason. They won't say what I did wrong. So it's just kind of not a good situation to be in. And I've been looking into other apps to use and talk about on this channel. So there's that. We can go to my settings here, go to support, see your account is closed, and there's really nothing I can do. And to find how to actually delete your account is very difficult. So the best way I recommend, go into the Cash App support where you can directly chat with them. And I basically said, how do I delete my account? They send all this info, but just make sure that you have all of your account cleared out. There's no money in there, no pending payments, anything like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and tap close Cash App account. Close account. Closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. Please be aware that as a financial institution, Cash App is legally required to maintain some transaction records and account info. If you would like to have your account closed permanently, tap confirm. So tap confirm there. And there we go. Looks like my account has been deleted forever, and now I could go ahead and just create a new account if I want. Pretty horrible system, but this is kind of the process that other people have said that they have to go through as well. Just delete your account and then create a new one if you want. Very stupid, just an awful experience for everybody involved. I'll go ahead and close the app. We'll go back into it. It's the same thing. Like, this is the screen that you come to if you want to create a Cash App account. So yeah, if you get banned, just kind of delete your account and start over. I don't know. They're really weird, and that's all I can say about it. Maybe in the future, I'll decide to create another Cash App account and we'll go through, make some videos for how to do that. But if you want some more Cash App videos, I have hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel. Definitely check those out if you're interested. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.